Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a snowman on Dress to Impress. So you don't actually need VIP for this, so that's good. Select the pumpkin and you're going to color that white. You're going to color every part of it white. Then you're going to put this code in. I'll put it in the description box down below. It's this one right here. And then I'm just going to color everything white except for the eyes. So I'm just like that. You can color the bow something else if you'd like to, maybe red or green, but that is how you can create a snowman on Dress to Impress. How cute! And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.